and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Toad in the Hole cooked in the Kmart Family Pie Maker. This is basically a sausage in a batter blanket and it's perfect for the pie maker. So if you're traveling and you haven't got access to an oven or a fry pan and you do have PowerPoint, this is a very easy, quick, budget-friendly meal. So we just put our sausages, and then we've just got pork sausages. You could use beef, chicken, whatever you like, into our pie maker and cook them. Now they are going to not add any fat and they're not going to stick. And once they're cooked a little bit, we turn them over because there might be a bit more heat in the bottom of the oven than there is on the top of the pie maker oven, and add our batter. So just while they're doing this thing over there, we've got a couple of eggs, to which we're adding some veggie salt. Now Appleberries has asked me which veggie salt I use because I'm always going on about it, and it is the Health Right brand, and it's available here in Australia at Coles and Woolies, so that might help if you're looking for that. You can also use Herbamere salt as well. We're adding our cracked pepper in there too, and we're just going to whiz this up so it's well combined, adding our milk and our flour. Now whiz this right up, incorporating as much air as possible because we really want quite a light dough around our sausages when they're cooked. Okay, just while you're giving your eggs a hard time and make them sort of quite frothy on top before we add our remaining ingredients, we are just going to open our family pie maker. And you can see our sausages starting to sort of steam, sweat and cook at the same time. Just turn them over. They are actually not letting too much fat out, which is a good thing, so we might end up having to put a little bit of grease in the pan so they don't stick. Let them go for another couple of minutes. We want them cooked right through. The batter won't take very long. Okay, we've turned our sausages onto another side and we'll get them on another side as well. Get a little bit more colour on them. They're essentially cooked because they've actually been steaming as they've been going. They're slippery little suckers. Picking up potato noodles with chopsticks doesn't actually work. Okay, now I'm just going to push this butter in there and that'll add a bit of flavour to the sausages anyway. There'll be no taking the fat off there because there is none, as you can see. And now we're just going to, we just want that butter to melt in the bottom, and we'll swish it all around so that it makes sure that it doesn't stick at all. And we're just going to add our milk to our eggs, and then we don't want to activate the gluten in the flour. So the egg and milk is well mixed now. We're just going to dump our flour all in at once and just gently mix it until it's completely combined. And there are no lumps. Okay, and then we're going to pour it all over our sausages. So just give those a bit of a swish around so that they're covered in the butter, and the butter is all over the sides as well. And then we've got 4 aside there, and we're just going to pour our batter, which has still got lots of lovely bubbles on it, over the top. So just don't make too much batter because it will want to rise and it won't be contained in the pie maker. Okay, and close the lid. Okay, after 10 short minutes, this is what you should have. It's beautifully risen. You can still see the sausages peeking in there. We're going to try and get this out, pop it onto our platter, and that'll just wipe out quite easily. As you can see, nothing has stuck. And we're serving this with a little pot of caramelized Spanish onions or red onions, salad onions, with tomato and a little dash of balsamic vinegar and some salt and pepper. And we're going to serve that with wedges of this. You could have some baked beans if you like. Our loaded baked beans would be a great recipe with this. Also an egg would be nice with it too. And if you've been paying attention, we did a sausage gravy recently and that would be sublime with this. I've just been out to the herb garden and got some parsley just for a bit of garnish on top there. And we're going to cut this and I'll show you what it looks like inside. So, okay. Now you can see all the little air holes in there. The sausages are spangled all the way through, lovely and golden on the bottom. Have that with a little scoop of our fresh made relish there and it would be absolutely perfect. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho Cooking's Toad in the Hole cooked in the pie maker. If you would like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, oh, so hot. Really eggy, well done. Cooks for about 8 to 10 minutes and tastes like a French pancake. It's actually quite delicious. Use very lean sausages or any flavoured sausages you like. Italian ones come to mind with a bit of fennel in it or something for a bit of spice. But I think you'll find this is a very economical meal. 250 grams of sausages, 1 onion, 1 tomato, a couple of eggs, half a cup of milk and half a cup of flour. Easy peasy. Oh, it tastes very hot, but it tastes delicious. Thanks for watching. And there you have it, Cheekyricho's Toad in the Hole made in the Kmart Family Pie Maker with some fresh tomato relish. You convinced yet, Patty Joe? Thanks for watching. Yum. And if you're a traditionalist that likes to see their sausages poking out of the top of their toad in the hole, I've got that covered too. Just turn it upside down. There you have it.